Hi, pharmacist Benjamin Knight Fuchs here, formulator of Truth Skin Health products, and I want to talk to you today about my Truth Retinol 1% and 5% gels, both made with 25% fat-soluble vitamin C and fatty acid esters. Here's the thing about my Truth Retinol gels. They are potent. They're the real deal, and you will notice effects. Start off with a small amount, maybe half a pea-sized amount or so. Blend in the palm of your hand with a couple of sprays of Truth Biomimetic Mineral Mist and apply evenly over your face. We recommend everyone starts off with our Truth Retinol 1% gel, used once every 5 to 7 days or so, and then work yourself into 3 times a week. Then you can graduate to Truth 5% gel. Start off once every 10 days or so and work yourself into once every 4 or 5 days. If you overuse or if you start off too quickly, you get too rambunctious, and your skin isn't used to retinol, you may end up with some redness or blotchiness or bumpiness. If this happens, let your skin rest, and over the course of 2 or 3 days or so, that should all subside. If you have a lot of dead skin, or if your skin is really dry, you may get some significant sloughing. Not to worry, after the dead cells fall off, the new skin behind them will be dewy, radiant, and glowing. Over time, you may notice you're not sloughing as much. Again, don't concern yourself about that. It just means that there's not a lot of stuff to slough off, and sloughing or not, your skin cells, your keratinocytes, and your fibroblasts are still getting all the benefits of retinol and fat-soluble vitamin C, including more collagen, reduced fine lines and wrinkles, better skin barrier, a brighter tone, a smoother texture, and healthier, more youthful skin. Truth Retinol 1% gel and Truth Retinol 5% gel, 100% active and functional, potent skin health products used intelligently and strategically, and I know you are going to love the truth.